everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Spotify on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to log into Spotify on your Android, make sure you've downloaded the Spotify application on your device. Once you have the app, tap it on, and from the very first interface of Spotify, tap on the login button at the bottom of the screen. You can also log in with your Facebook account. To do so, tap on Continue with Facebook. If you don't have an account yet, you can start by creating a new account by tapping on Sign Up for Free button in green. Once you tap on the login button, you'll end up in the next page. Here, you'll need to enter your email or your username and your password associated with Spotify. Type in your email in the first text box and then type in your password on the next. Double check your password by tapping on the eye icon at the right corner. Once you are done, tap on Login. Wait for a few seconds and you'll be logged in to your Spotify account on your Android device. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.